So, welcome WBP Stars. We're here in Athens. I'm Alex Tsiotinis and we're cooking today at the CTC restaurant in the center of Athens. I will be creating for you a special dish that it's existing in the menu for like 3 years now. It's a seabass, it's a fresh seabass from the Mediterranean fish that we treat as a ceviche. So the base idea is to take the fish, we take the fillets of the fish first, then we will pasteurize it with a mixture of salt, sugar and some citrus. In order to fillet the fish, I plate it on the cutting board. I slice next to the head. I make the same thing in the other way. And now, from the tail to the head, I'm scoring the flesh. Trying to be next to the bone. Turn the knife the other way. Now we're making the trimmings. We take off the fatty part because we will not use them for this recipe. Take out the bones. Unleave the skin. And then we will take this fillet, we will put it in a mixture of equal parts salt, sugar and some citrus zest, and we will leave it for like half an hour. After, we're gonna smoke it in the big smoke machine that we have, and we will cut it as a tartare. Okay? Put that away for a moment. Meanwhile, we will prepare the oysters. Sorry. I'm here cutting some paper, sorry. We will make oysters two ways for this dish. The one is an emulsion of oysters that we're going to use underneath the seabass tartare. And the other one is fresh oysters that will give us the freshness that we need for the dish. So, taking the oysters, we open them. Give the water because we need it for the emulsion. Sorry for that. less. We have oyster juice. We have some vinegar. Some xanthana powder. It's a starch that used to stabilize emulsion. A little bit of Tabasco. We are blending them. We want to create a mass of this and hydrate the xanthan. So firstly we make a good mousse of the oysters and then we make the emulsion with arachido oil. So now the emulsion is ready. And we will put it in a piping bag in order to serve it. In the meantime, we will slice the fish. Take the fillet of the fish. We take out the black part as much as we can. We need to keep only the white. And then the juice. We don't want really small cubes because we need the client to feel the texture of the fish and the freshness of the fish. See? Now we take the fish, we add some lemon zest, faire the shell. We mix. And we are ready for the plating process. Hi, it's me again here. So to plate, we started with the oysters emulsion that we put on the bottom of the plate. We add some fresh oysters. The tartare. Cover with some garlic powder. It's fresh garlic powder. On the top, some sliced oyster leaves. Really important for the taste, some coriander, fresh coriander. Chili flakes. Kiwi. On the top, for the refreshing of the dish, and as well as the leche de tigre, we have a granite made of kiwi. Herbs and flowers that reminds the sea flavor as pure as the porridge. Some parsley oil. Just as a finished part, we have a sponge cake made from seaweed that when the granite will melt, we will enjoy, we will dip the sponge in the sauce and we will enjoy it. So WBB stars, this was my dish. Hope you will enjoy it.